Hello there, Sir EJ here. For today's video, I will be showing you the ways on how to send or submit work in Google Classroom. Kindly make sure that the account you are using is your Google Workspace account. Also, make sure your work has been successfully completed or written. There are multiple ways to make sure your teacher sees your work. However, the best way to ensure an organized collection of work from the teacher's perspective is to submit directly in the Google Classroom. This will ensure that your teacher sees your submitted work without it getting lost in email or chat history. First, go to Google Classroom dashboard and enter a subject class. Click on an assignment due. This can be found in classwork or the upcoming tab on the stream. You will then be redirected to the assignment with the complete instructions and the attachments needed. If you'd prefer for your child to do the assignment hands-on, you can print the document by opening the file on another tab just by clicking it. Then click on the print icon. Or you can simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-P. Should you have questions before submitting, you can use the class comments button to communicate with your teacher. Should you want it to be private, click on Add Comment under Private Comments. Only you and your teacher will see this. The most recommended way of submitting work is to attach a scanned photo of the accomplished work or edit the document given by the teacher. I will explain each of the two processes. To attach a photo of your work, scan it or take a picture using your smartphone. Please ensure that the photo is clear and that writing is legible, so that the teacher may check it properly. We have teachers who check work with a tablet or phone and stylus pen. Then, click on the Add or Create button on the right side of the assignment. Choose File and Upload or Browse. Then choose the photo on your computer or smartphone to attach. Video outputs can also be attached for certain performance tasks. You may also submit your work directly on an attached material by using Google Docs. This is more for written work. And also if the teacher allows you to submit a typewritten output. Now click on the attachment. After clicking, a new Google Docs tab should appear. From there, you can edit your work directly. After editing your work, simply save it and turn in. Some tasks will also ask you to click on the mark as done instead of turn in, depending on the setting of the teacher. Now the last option should only be used if there is a problem in our recommended way of submitting work. You can share your work to your teacher via Google Drive. First step is to go to Google Classroom. Then click on the Classwork tab. Then the Class Drive folder. After clicking, another tab should pop up with the Class Drive folder. Then, click on the New button or simply click on the right button on your mouse or trackpad. Then, choose the Upload file and choose the designated file. Then, choose the Upload file and choose the designated file. Kindly wait for the file to be uploaded on the drive. After this click, simply right-click the file and choose Share. Then choose the person or teacher you want to share the file with. After choosing, kindly leave a message that will inform the teacher what you have shared to them. Then, click on Send. Once your teacher has already seen or checked your work, it will be returned. To see returned work, just go to Classwork and click on View Your Work. Going over returned or checked work is important to learn from mistakes and to see feedback from your teacher. So that's about it. You now know how to submit on Google Classroom. Feel free to explore the other Google applications on your own or watch our other video tutorials to learn more from the Danube School IT department. Thank you and have a great day.